Find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue pattern pieces with a sticky tape. This pattern is suitable only for stretchy fabrics. Cut to back details. Mirror the pattern. Add seam allowance. I suggest 1 centimeter. Cut to front details. Mirror the pattern. Cut to waist parts. Don't forget center fold. Sew together front and back parts on side seams. Sew side seams of waist. Measure and check the waist part on your body before sewing. Make adjustments if needed. I use serger for this project. Sew crotch seam. Iron folding line on center of waist part. Sew waist part to the shorts. Baby lock the bottom of the shorts. Good luck on your project!